Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ongsuman Fina Mathematics. Now viewers, we are doing CBSE class 10th mathematics. CBSE class 10th, I am writing here that CBSE class 10th mathematics, CBSE class 10th mathematics. The topic is from geometry. Name is triangle. Chapter name is triangles. From geometry, chapter name is triangles. And we are following exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Up to question number 2 we have done. Exercise 6.3 up to question number 2 we have done. Next, today we will start from question number, hope you are now it is visible. Now we will start today from question number 3. Now question number 3, I am writing the question, I am reading the question that question number 3, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with, we are doing similarities of triangle. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O. Using similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA by OB, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So here, first we have to join or we have to draw a trapezium over here. A, B, C, D. Now, considering or in triangle DOC and triangle BOA, obviously AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD. So we can write that must be alternate interior angles will be equal. So obviously angle CDO, angle CDO, that's equals to, means this angle must be equals to ABD, angle CDO must equals to angle ABO. Now similarly angle ACD or angle DOC must be equal to, angle DOC must be equals to angle BAO or angle DOC must be equals to angle B angle CDO equals to ABO and angle DCO must be equals to angle BAO. Okay, next, so this angle will be equals to this angle and this angle will be equals to this angle. Next students, next I am taking for two triangles, the triangle's name is DOC and triangle BOA, vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle DOC, that's equal to angle BOA. Hence, by AAA criteria, angle similarity criteria, okay, we can say that triangle DOC that will be similar to triangle AOB. Thus corresponding sides will be proportional since these two are similar. So obviously corresponding sides will be proportional. Corresponding sides will be proportional. So that implying DO by BO means DO by BO, that's equals to CO by AO, or by cross multiplying OA by OB, or we can write that BO by DO, that's equals to AO by CO, that's writing OA by OC equals to OB by OD. Proved. Hope you are able to understood. Next move to next question. Next move to question number 4. Same exercise 6.3. Question number 4. Question number 4, it is given that in the figure, here is the question number 4. In the figure 6.36, QR by QS, that's equals to QR by QS, that's equals to QT by PR. Okay, so QT by PR and angle 1 and angle 2, as you can see from the figure, angle 1 and angle 2 equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal. Show that triangle PQS equal to triangle TQR. Triangle PQS equal to triangle T. Similar triangle PQS, that is similar to triangle TQR. Now, how can we prove that? Here comes the solution. First I am drawing the triangle, then drawing the figure. This is the triangle. This is 2, angle number 2, this is angle number 1, this is P, this is T, this is Q, this is S, this is R. Now, in triangle, considering triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, obviously angle PQR, that's equals to angle PRQ. That implying PQ equal to PR. Now it is given that QR by QS, that equal to QT by PR. Now using equation number 1, if we use equation number 1, we can put the value, that means QR by QS, that's equals to QT by PQ. This is my equation number 2. Now considering the triangle PQS and triangle TQR, PQS and TQR, considering these two triangles, by taking equation 1, we are getting that QR by QS, that's equals to QT by PQ. That means QR by QS, that's equals to QT by QP or PQ, and also angle Q equal to angle Q. So we can say that these sides, this side with this side and this side with this side, these sides are similar. So in this two triangle, I am writing here, two sides are similar and one angle also. So here SAS similarity following, so that means triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, okay, by SAS criteria. That we have to prove that. Next, come to another question. Next, it is given that question number 5. It is given that I am reading that S and T are the points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS, so that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So for that, first I am drawing a triangle. This is PQ, this is R, this is S, and it is T. This is my angle and this angle. Now it is given that points on PR, angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. It is given. Okay. Now we have to show triangle RPQ. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. We have to show that. And S and T are the points on the side PR and QR. PR and QR. These are the 2 points. So how can we prove that? Now considering the triangle, here comes the solution. Considering the triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, angle RPQ is equals to angle RTS. It is given to us, and angle R that equal to angle R, common angle, the common angle. Now since we can say that we can see here that this angle, that is angle P, is similar to angle T, and this is the common angle with both of this triangle. So obviously angle RQP is equals to angle RST. It will must be happen, because if we take two triangles RPQ and RTS, if this angle will be equal to this angle and this is the common angle, then obviously this angle must be equal to this angle. So here angle similarity happened. Angle similarity. By angle similarity, we can say that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Next come to question number 6. Now in question number 6, it is given that in the figure, question number 6, here is the question number 6. Question number 6, I am reading that in the figure 6.37, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, this triangle congruent, so that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So how can we say that? Now I am drawing the picture first. The picture will be this type. Now here comes the solution. Now here it is given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. No, this is not E, this is C, triangle ACD. Therefore obviously AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC by CPCT, and AD is equal to AE by CPCT. Means this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side. Now considering the side ratio of triangle ADE and triangle ABC, if we consider, then this is my equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, AD by AB that's equals to AE by AC, and angle A equal to angle A, common angle, this is the common angle, so we can say, so by side angle side similarity we can say that triangle ADE is congruent to triangle ABC. Next, move to question number 7. Now, question number 7, here it is given that in the figure 6.38, this figure 6.38, in the figure 6.38, altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point O. Show that this AEP similar to CDP, AEP similar to CDP, then ABD is similar to CBE, then triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADP, then triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. So how can we solve it? Here comes the solution. It is given that, before that I am drawing the picture once again. Viewers, if you draw the picture by scale pencil, that will be better. This is altitude, this is 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. It's A, E, B, P, D, this is C. Now, here comes the solution. It is given that altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at P. So here comes one. In triangle AEP and triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle AEP, that will be equal to angle CD, this is D, CDP, because 90 degree each angle. Next, angle APE, that's equals to angle CPD. These are vertically opposite angle. Means angle APE means this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equals to this angle. And also so must be we can say that angle PAE is equal to angle PAE is equal to angle PCD, because the other two angles are same. So angle similarity happened. Therefore, we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. First one proved. Next, come to the second one. Consider the triangle ABD and triangle CBE and triangle CBE. ABD, ABD and CBE. This will be 90 degree. Now here also angle. Now here also angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, each 90 degree. Means I am telling that means angle ADB means this angle ADB is equal to angle CEB. Angle CEB, this angle must be equal to this angle, each 90 degree. Angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. These are the common angle. Angle ADB is equals to ABD. This angle is common angle with both. This angle is common angle. So this is a common angle. So obviously the rest angle, that is angle DAB, that will be equal to angle BCE. So here also angle similarity happened. Angle similarity follow. So we can say that triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Next come to third one. What is given in third one? Triangle AEP and triangle ADP. Triangle AEP and triangle ADB means AEP, this triangle AEP, and ADB, this triangle. Obviously angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, each 90 degree. Angle PAE is equal to angle PAE is equal to angle DAB common angle. So obviously angle APE that will be equal to angle ABD. Angle means this angle will be this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? It is 90 degree, and this angle is similar to both of this triangle and this whole triangle. Say next the remaining one, that means this angle P, this angle, that is angle P or angle APE is equals to ABD. Okay, so here also angle similarity follow. So we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. The fourth one, that is we have to prove triangle PDC is congruent to triangle BEC. Now again, considering the figure, if we consider this figure, the angle, we have to prove angle PDC, triangle PDC, PDC, that will be similar to triangle BEC, Now in PDC and BEC, here we can say that this will be 90 degree and this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, and so this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle is common to both of the triangle. So obviously rest of the angle, that is this angle will be equal to this angle. So again I am telling that in PDC and BEC, angle PDC is equal to angle BEC, both 90 degree, and angle PCD will be equal to angle ECB, common angle. So obviously angle CPD is equal to angle CBE. So also angle criteria follow. So we can say that triangle PDC, this is C, is similar to triangle BEC. Next move to question number 8. Now in question number 8 it is told that I'm reading the question number 8. It is told that we have to draw on figure over here. Question number 8. Now question number 8 is the point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and B intersects CD, then at CD at F, show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CBF. So for that we have to draw one figure over here, parallelogram This figure will be this type. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, this is F. Now it is given that this angle will be similar to this angle, and we know that. So here comes the solution. We have to show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB, means this big triangle is similar to this triangle. Now here comes the solution. F is the midpoint. It is given, sorry, E is the point, on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersect CD at F. Now consider the triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angle of parallelogram. Angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Alternate interior angle means angle AEB, angle AEB is equals to angle CBF. These are alternate interior angle, as AE parallel to BC, AE parallel to BC, AE, since this is parallel to this, so obviously this angle will be equals to this angle. So for here AE parallel to BC, A parallel to BC, so alternate interior angle. And angle AEB, alternate interior angle, I am writing it, alternate interior angle. And obviously so since these two angles are similar, means angle A is equals to angle C and angle E is equals to angle B, so obviously angle EBA is equal to angle EBA is equal to angle BFC. Definitely we can say that, because other two angles are same for the corresponding triangles, other two angles are same, so this will be happened. So by angle similarity, angle similarity, we can say that, we tell that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So this is one video, viewers. Hope you will enjoy it, or to understand the full video, please go through the whole video. Don't skip it. Hope you will understood the solution. In the next video, we will produce the solution from question number 9 to the rest of the question of NCERT Triangles chapter, exercise 6.3. Till then, please do keep watching my channel. Thank you.